In this essential Viber tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your phone number on Viber without losing your chat history. We will cover the critical steps to change your Viber number on the same phone, how to handle the switch if you are getting a new phone, and the absolute most important step you must take to back up Viber messages before you start. Changing your phone number is a big transition, and the last thing you want is to lose years of conversations, photos, and memories stored in your Viber app. Many people make the mistake of simply uninstalling the app and starting fresh with a new number, which wipes everything out. Viber actually has a built-in feature designed specifically for this situation, but it needs to be used correctly. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we are going to walk through the official, safe method to migrate your account to a new number. We will look at two distinct scenarios: changing your number while keeping your current phone, and changing your number and your phone at the same time. Both require a slightly different approach. We will also discuss the one major limitation regarding moving between Android and iPhone that everyone needs to know. To complete this process successfully, you will need a few things ready before you press any buttons. This is critical. You must have your new SIM card active and ready to receive SMS messages or phone calls. You will need this to verify the new number. You need a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi is best, and access to your cloud storage account, Google Drive if you are on Android, or iCloud if you are on iPhone. This is essential for the backup step. Before we change anything, we must create a safety net. If anything goes wrong during the transfer, this backup is the only way to save your chats. Open Viber and tap on the More button, the 3 lines or dots, in the bottom corner. Tap on Settings, then tap on Account, and finally select Viber Backup. Here, you can see when your last backup was made. Even if it was recent, I strongly recommend tapping Backup Now to save a fresh copy of your data right this second. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. This ensures that every message you received up to this moment is safe in the cloud. If you are keeping your current phone but just swapping the SIM card to a new number, this is the process for you. Insert your new SIM card into your phone. Open Viber, go to More, then Settings, and then Account. Look for the option that says Change Phone Number. Tap on it, and you will see a screen with warnings. You want to select the first option, which usually says New Phone Number. Viber will ask you to enter your new mobile number. Once you enter it, tap Continue. You will receive an activation code via SMS or a call on your new SIM. Enter that code into Viber. Once verified, Viber will automatically migrate your data. Your profile, your sticker packs, and your chat history will all be moved over to the new number instantly. Your contacts on Viber will also receive a notification that you have changed your number, so they can update their address books. If you are getting a brand new phone and a new number, the process has one extra step. You must perform the number change on your old phone first. On your old phone, with your old SIM still inside or accessible, go to the same zone we were. This time, select the second option, New Phone Number and New Device. Follow the prompts to verify your new number. Viber will then move your account to the new number on the old phone and prompt you to perform a backup to the cloud. Do this backup immediately. This saves your data to the cloud under the new phone number. Now, pick up your new phone, install Viber, and activate it using your new number. Viber will detect the backup you just made on the cloud and ask if you want to restore content. Tap Restore, and your history will download to the new device. There is one major limitation you must be aware of. Cross-platform transfers are not supported by Viber. This means if you are switching from Android to iPhone or vice versa, you cannot restore your chat history using the standard backup method, even if you keep the same number. The history is locked to the platform, Google Drive or iCloud. You can keep your account and contacts, but the messages will not transfer without third-party paid software. Also, if you have Viber Out credit or sticker packs, these are linked to your account. After you switch numbers, you may need to go to the Settings menu and look for a Restore Purchases button to make sure all your paid content appears correctly. What if you don't receive the activation code? First, check that you have typed the new number correctly with the right country code. Second, ensure you have a strong cellular signal. If the SMS doesn't arrive after 60 seconds, try the Activate via call option, which is often more reliable. If your contacts say they can't see you, send them a message first. Sometimes it takes a while for their Viber app to update your contact info. You can also ask them to delete your old contact and save your new number fresh. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned the crucial difference between simply uninstalling the app and properly using the Change Phone Number feature. We walked through the mandatory backup process to keep your memories safe, and we detailed the specific steps for both keeping your device and switching to a new one. You are now ready to make the switch seamlessly. I truly hope this detailed guide saved you from losing your chats. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more tutorials on messaging apps and smartphone tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you switching numbers because of a new job, a move to a new country, or just for a fresh start? I'm curious to know. Thank you for watching.